Well, how can you tell if you've got an outlier or an extreme value in a set of data? There's a little rule that tells you that if a piece of data exceeds the upper quartile by more than 1.5 times the interquartile range, it's an outlier. Similarly, if it's lower than the lower quartile by more than 1.5 times the interquartile range, it's an outlier or extreme value. Let's have a look at this example. First of all, we have to calculate the interquartile range, and to do that, we need to know the upper quartile and lower quartile. Now, you can do this either by hand or on your calculator. I've already done it on my calculator, and so I know that the lower quartile is 36, and the upper quartile is equal to 42. The interquartile range is the difference between the two. The quartile range equals the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. 42 minus 36. 42 minus 36 is equal to 6. Now let's have a look, and we could see there's not many scores below 36, and the nearest one is 35. That's very close to 36. That's unlikely to be an extreme value. On the other hand, the upper quartile is 42, and we have got a score here of 52. I wonder if that is more than 1.5 interquartile ranges above the upper quartile. Let's have a look. It's an extreme value if it's more than the upper quartile plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. That would equal the upper quartile was 36 plus 1.5 times 6. 1.5 times 6 is 9. 9 and 36. I've stuffed that, haven't I? The upper quartile was 42. 42 plus 1.5 times 6 is 9, is 51. So, if a score is bigger than 51, then it must be an extreme value. And we've got a score here of 52. 52 is an extreme value.